How to get into UCLA Anderson. With a focus on hands-on learning, access to the vibrant and diverse city of Los Angeles, and top-notch career resources in industries ranging from startups, media entertainment, tech, real estate, and VC, plus access to international experiences, UCLA Anderson attracts diverse students eager to advance their careers across sectors. It's no surprise that UCLA Anderson ranks solidly in the top 20 U.S. business schools. But fit is far more important than rankings, so how do you show that fit and get into UCLA Anderson? Hi, I'm Gavriella Semaya, Senior Consultant at mbaMission, and over almost 20 years, we have helped thousands of applicants get into top MBA programs, including UCLA Anderson. In this video, we're going to cover 4 preliminary tips to help you get into UCLA Anderson. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video, where we'll share some resources to help you apply to UCLA Anderson. Our first tip is to demonstrate that you have a clear sense of purpose and direction for your career. In the UCLA Anderson application, you will be asked to complete short questions about your specific short-term and long-term career goals. Specificity is key here. You must be able to identify your target industry, target function and role, and some ideal companies that you'd like to work for. It's not enough to just say you want to work in tech, for instance. Instead, you might say, for example, that you want to work in a product management role in tech focused on products that improve connectivity in the workplace, ideally at Google or Microsoft. Rest assured that UCLA Anderson and its highly rated Parker Career Management Center are well suited to helping students change careers, so it's completely okay to be a career changer. It's also okay to have ambitions that might be considered niche goals. While you can find traditional opportunities like consulting and finance at UCLA Anderson, the school prides itself on positioning students to pursue careers in many diverse industries: media, nonprofit, entertainment, tech, real estate, startups, VC. Our second tip is to show that you are capable of deep self-reflection. UCLA Anderson really wants you to understand what motivates your career goals. Now, the challenge is that currently UCLA Anderson only has one required 250-word essay to communicate those motivations. To write this important but brief essay, you'll need to engage in multi-dimensional brainstorming to think broadly about the achievements that have motivated your goals. These could be experiences from college, your career, your personal life, your family, or your community activities. Ultimately, this essay is about showing that you have reflected on how your past connects to your future. Our third tip is to get familiar with UCLA Anderson. UCLA Anderson is known for having a vibrant student culture and a small family feel. The Anderson family is guided by 3 values: share success, which is all about working together and taking part in a student-run culture; think fearlessly, which conveys a passion for experimenting with bold ideas and a courage to change the status quo; and drive change, which highlights a desire to seek tangible, lasting impact. To understand how these values shape the UCLA Anderson community, we encourage you to read the MBA Insider's blog or take a virtual tour on Anderson's website, connect with a student via their Admissions Ambassador Corps, attend virtual events or Q&As, or go visit campus. You should also get familiar with how UCLA Anderson can help your career goals. You'll have an opportunity to explain how UCLA Anderson can help you achieve your goals via a short question in the application. For instance, you could mention how the Capstone AMR project will offer you practical experience to achieve your goals, or how you'll make use of one of the academic centers like the Easton Technology Management Center or the Center for Media, Entertainment, and Sports. To help with your research, I encourage you to download our free Insider's Guide to UCLA Anderson, which goes in depth in terms of academics, culture, and community, as well as first-hand information from alumni, admissions directors, and current students. Our final tip to help you get into UCLA Anderson is to showcase how you've already made an impact. As we mentioned, UCLA Anderson has a highly student-driven culture. For example, students are involved in community service through the popular organization Challenge for Charity, and the school's Net Impact Club hosts Impact Week, a week full of panel discussions and speakers, all focused on creating positive change. So in your application, you'll want to explain that you've actively contributed to building community at work, in college, or outside of work or school. Ideally, try to show times that you've been in leadership positions and where you've left a tangible impact on others or on an organization. You can use the resume and the application sections on activities and personal interests to show these achievements. We hope these preliminary thoughts on how to get accepted to UCLA Anderson are helpful. We would love to speak with you in more depth about your applications and discuss your competitiveness for UCLA Anderson. Click the link below to sign up for your free 30-minute consultation with one of our admissions experts. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed this video and want to get more MBA admissions and application tips, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.